story. Problem. Right, we've already got something to think about that, right? And this one, ladies and gentlemen, is about separating. And about, what they say, elapsed time. So, another pen. Elapsed time. What type of problems do you suppose when you separate things into two groups? What type of problems usually are those? You know, there's whatever there are, 25 sixth graders, and you separate the boys from the girls. Separated the girls, how many boys are left? What type of problem are we talking, Colton? That is? Yes, subtraction. Thank you for your answer there. And basically, here's the deal with subtraction. In case you haven't noticed, ladies and gentlemen, you take the greater number, and you subtract the lesser number, and you get what we call the difference, or what's left. And the book just likes to get you to think about that in terms of those things. Of course, you're asking the question in here, in that, gosh, where's the question? Is there a question in here? Sure there is. Oh, by the way, what words would you look for when you're looking for these type of story problems? You would look for words like how much more, how much more, or the difference between, or how many fewer, or how much bigger. If you see these kind of words, you know that your story problem is subtraction 1. And let me tell you, as I told you before, just because it's a subtraction pattern problem doesn't always mean that subtraction is the way you figure it out. But at least you know what type of problem it is. Here is an example problem. These aren't too there were 324 girls. There were 324 girls. And 289 boys. How about that for some stats? How many fewer boys than girls? How many fewer boys than girls? That would be the question mark. And the deal with that is this: you think in terms of this. Subtraction is not like addition, ladies and gentlemen. Order does matter. When you have subtraction problem, the biggest number is always that top number, and then you take something away and you're left with whatever's different. So in this case here, the greater number is the girl's number, right? So you're taking 324 girls, taking away the 289 boys, and then you are left with how many fewer boys. A different way you could have said that, rather than saying how many fewer boys, you could have said how many what? Rather than saying how many fewer boys, you could say how many, Victoria?
How many more girls?
How many more girls. Either way, it's the same. So how many boys? And if you do the subtraction, which is probably your favorite thing in the world to do, 389 minus, or 324 minus 389, in fact, ends up being 35 fewer boys, or how many more girls? And then the last one, this will not take this long because you just incredibly intelligent people. Here's example number 2. And they do ask a lot of these kind of questions, so this is good. How many years were there from Columbus in 1492? Here it is. Columbus sailed the ocean blue in what?
1492.
Columbus sailed. Oh boy. He's getting another day off. In 1492. Discovered whatever blue. Pilgrims landed in 1620. Pilgrims landed. Where did they land? Where? Not when. Plymouth Rock. Why? You know, did you ever wonder why the Pilgrims didn't sail on down to Florida and just live the good life? Why did they have to live? Why did they have to go where it's cold and wet and stormy and snowy? Why not hit the Bahamas or Jamaica or someplace? You had your choice, and why would you drop there in Massachusetts or whatever that was? That's the worst place. How many years were there later? How many years later did the Pilgrims come? And again, hopefully you see, you know, they're looking for the difference. If you see this word later or earlier, you know it's going to be a subtraction problem. And again, thinking you have the big number on top, subtracting the smaller number, and you get the difference. You know, our big number is, which one is our big number? 1620. I'm taking 1492 away, and then I get the years that are different, how many years later that would be, which happens to be 128 years. Which you have to think, not much happened in 128 years, did it? I mean, you don't hear much about people sailing over for that sort of thing. I think that's going to be, rather than bore you with any more rigmarole and mishmash and whatever stuff.